Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. So today I am going to start a new that is a lesson from the grammar. So from these days I was doing for you English one, that is the prose and the poem. So today I am starting the first lesson from your grammar textbook. So I hope so everyone have your this grammar textbook, because we will make you fill in this book only. See, this is your English grammar and composition book. I hope so they would have been provided you. These are provided you from school. So this is your grammar textbook, and you have to. The first lesson from the textbook is the alphabet. The alphabet. Now move on for the page number 5. So which page you have to open, children? Page number 5. What is the lesson name today I am doing for you? The lesson name is the alphabet. For which class I am doing? First standard. So today I am doing English grammar for you. So English grammar is very essential for you, because it helps you in reading and writing. Because without this you cannot learn any, that is the English language. So if I go for the lesson now, that is the lesson alphabet. I hope so everyone knows, no children, because you are in first standard. That is from LKG and UKG you have learned alphabets. What are alphabets, children? So what are alphabets? So there are how many? See, there are 26 letters in English language. So how many letters are there? 26 letters. So without alphabets, I told you we cannot read in any language. Maybe it is Kannada, maybe it is any subject like Sanskrit, Hindi and all. Till we know the alphabets of that language, we cannot read or write anything. So it is necessary to us to know the alphabets. So it is very necessary to know the alphabets, to read and write. So how are the what are the alphabets? So we can see here. So there are 26 letters in English language. So how many are there? 26. They are called as alphabets. What are they called? These 26 letters. So here you can see the alphabets. So these are the alphabets. So these are how many? If you count, how many are there? There are 26 letters. So here these letters can be written in two forms. How many forms you can write? You can write these letters in two forms. So what are they? The first is capital letters. So that what are the first one? The first form is capital letters, and second form is small letters. I hope so everyone knows, no children, because you have learned all these things in your KGs. So here when you go on for the capital letters, so what are capital letters here? So here you can see how many letters are there? 26 letters are there. So these are all what? Capital letters. So you can see the difference between the capital letter and small letter. The total style of writing is different here. So here we pronounce the same. So here what we say? We say A only for these also. We say even for this also it is A only. But the pronunciation is same. The total, the handwriting what we write, the style of writing is totally different. So this is known as capital letter and this is known as small letters. What are these, children? Everyone in the class, see what is these letters known as? These are known as capital letters. These are known as small letters. So there is no difference while you pronounce, while you say. Pronounce means while you say. There is no difference. See, for example, A, B, C, D. So here also I am going to say same A, B, C, D. But the total writing, this is capital letter and this is small letter. The total writing style is different here. So how many letters are there in English language? So I told you, in any language if you want to learn, so you should know the what first alphabet. So you are then you will be able to write the letter. That is the writing. So here for example, so here, so I have written the spelling alphabet here. So how did you read this? So how did you read the word alphabet? Because you know the words. Because you know the words here. So you know the letters. You know the letters. So what do you know? You know the letters. So what is this? A, L, P, H, A, B, T. So I have written what? Alphabet. I have spelled the word. I have spelled the word. What it is? Alphabet. So here, so these are known as what? So see how I have written here. I have jumped first letter. I have written in the capital letter. So you can see the capital letter also I have written. The small letter also I have written. So by learning, that is by reading this, you can know that you know all these letters. By reading this, you should feel that you know all these letters that are what the English language. That you know the English language. That you know the ABCD till Z. So you can these are capital letters and these are capital letters. So here you can see that. Shall we move on to the exercise, children? So here, first I'll be reading from your textbook. So open to your page number 5. An alphabet is a collection of letters arranged in fixed order. So it is a collection of letters. So it is arranged in fixed order. So after A, after A, B should come. So what? After A, B should come. After B, C should come. So it is arranged in a that is in a collection of orders. It is in correct order. So if you mix it, it is not in a proper order. So if I write for example, if I write for you like A, C, E, F. So are these in proper order, children? Are these in proper order? No, these are not in proper order because it should come in a proper order. These are in proper order. So you can see that these letters are in proper order. So these are not in proper order. Okay, children. So there are 26 letters in English alphabets. We can write these 26 letters in two forms. So already I have told you which are those two forms, that are capital letters and small letters. So how many forms are there? So here capital letters and small letters. So how many forms are here? Capital letters and small letters. Okay, next. So I have showed you capital letters also how we should write, and how that is the small letter how you should write, because it is also mentioned in your textbook also. So these are your capital letters and these are the small letters. So alphabetical order. In order, the order in which we recall all the letters of English alphabet family is the alphabetical order. So this is the family of alphabet. What is this? This is known as the family of alphabet. If one is also missing, the family member is missing there for you. So if one letter is also missing for you, one letter, for example, so I have not written B and W. So you can see that the family member is missing there. So it should be in a proper order. So we cannot change this. It is already in order. It is already in order. So you cannot change it. So here, for example, when we write A, B, C, D, E, all the letters are in alphabetical order. So I told you starting only here when I wrote see A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So according to this, so I am reading in an alphabetical order. So it is coming in an order. So if I tell you like A, C, E, F, are these in alphabetical order? No, they are not in order. They are not in order because I have left many words. Because in the center I have left many words. That is the letter. I have left many letters in the center. So these are not in alphabetical order. So these are all what? In the alphabetical order. This alphabetical order forms a family. One member is also missing. The family will not be complete here. One letter is also missing. One letter I showed you from. If I rub it out like many letters from this, that is the capital letter or the small letter. One letter also if I am missing, the family member is missing for you in the that is in the letter, that is in the alphabets. Okay, children, are you able to understand here? Okay. So I told you how many letters are there. There are 26 letters in English language. So there are two forms, that is capital letters, two forms in the English language, that is capital letters and the small letters. So it is also known as upper, that is upper level and the lower level also it is also known as. Just now because you are in first standard, just you should know that this is capital letter and this is small letter. Okay, so capital letter and that is the small letters. I hope so, children. Till here I have completed for you. The next you have is ovals. So what are ovals here for you? Can anyone mention? Can anyone tell in your class? So what are ovals here? Can anyone from the class? So today we are going to learn. So already I have done alphabet. So introduction of the alphabets, that is the letters I have completed for you. That is capital letters and the small letter. And the next that is I will be going for oval or ovals and consonants. Ovals and consonants. So what do you mean by ovals and consonants? Okay, can anyone tell me from the class? So see here the letters That is A, E, I, O, U are ovals. What? Ovals. So these are what? Ovals. So here consonants. The other 21 letters, remaining letters. Okay. The other letters are called consonants. Consonants. Okay, children. So no need of getting panic here. So already I completed it. Don't get confused here. Now I am starting ovals. What are ovals? The letters A, E, I, O, U are the ovals. Just remember these. Just remember these 5 words for you. So how many letters are there? First I told you there are 26 letters in English language. So here A, E, I, O, U are your ovals. The other 21 letters are called consonants. For example, so we are don't get confused. So it is in an easy way if I make you understand. First we are going to underline what? A, E, I, O, U in your on the board. So for example, we'll underline A. So E, I, O, U. So I have underlined. So I have underlined these words. So I have underlined these alphabets. So underline what? These alphabets. So A, E, I, O, U. So how many are there for you? There are 5 vowels. How many? 5 vowels. So how many count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vowels. 5 letters. Okay? 5 letters. The other remaining words like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So how many are there when you count? There are 21. So how many? 21 letters, the remaining letters. After when you remove the vowels, when you remove the letters A, E, I, O, U, how many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. So remaining letters, how many you have? 21. So these are known as what? Consonants. What are these known as? These letters are known as consonants. Okay, children? It is clear for you, no doubts, no? So don't get confused here. So easily I have shown you the way how you have to know the ovals. See, when you count the ovals, see, first if you know ovals, the remaining, the alphabet, the letters which are remaining are known as consonants. How many should remain for you? 21. How many should remain? 21 should remain. That is remaining for you. So I have shown you A, B, I, O, U are ovals. The other 21 letters are known as consonants. Other 21 letters are known as consonants. Okay, children? I hope it is very clear for you. So next page, move on for your page number that is 6. You have only 2 exercises. It is very easy for you. So I do it on the board of your phone. So children, okay, then move on to your page number that is 6. So here they have given match the capital letters with the small letters. So they have given M, D, G, B, R, P. So G, B, R, P, D, M. So you have to match it. So how you are going to write? This is the first, that is the A main from your textbook. So here first M. You have to match the capital letter with the small letter. So M. See, this is the small letter. Where is D for you? So D is also here. So D, I match for D also. Where is G? Small letter G for you. See here. So this is the capital letter and this is the small letter. So this side, the A side you have capital letter and the B side you have small letter. Okay, children. Then where is B for you? Small letter. So it is here. R. Okay, then the last P. So already we have completed one day. Don't get confused. It is very easy for you. So only they have given you to match that. In the A column they have given the capital letters. In the B column they have given you the small letters. You have to just match. Okay, it is very easy now, children. You are finding very easy to write. Okay, next main, that is B. Look at the picture and say the word aloud. Then circle the beginning letter of the picture. So here They have given colorful pictures are there for you in your textbook. So you can see mango, you can see grapes, you can see cabbage, you can see the sun here. So according you know the name of mango. So they have given how many letters are there? So here that is the B for you. See they have given you PUMMB. That is first one. Second one GCPS. Third one CBGT. Next fourth one IDS. That is R. So now you know mango. What is this? Mango. You can see mango. So what letter it will start from? In which letter it will start from? Mango. When you say it, when you pronounce only, you can find that which will start the M. So you have to circle M. So you have to do in your textbook only. Please write in your pencil only. Don't use your pen or other things. Okay. So M you have to circle here. So circle the beginning letter of the picture. So they have given the picture, that is the mango. See in this PUMB. So M is the mango. The next is grapes. G. Grapes start from G. Grapes. The word starts from G. Next cabbage. C. CABBAG. What is the spelling of cabbage? CABBAGE. Cabbage. So the first letter of the word is C. So here mango. 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 M is the first word of the mango. Grape, GRAPES, grapes. G is the first word of the grapes. Then sun, what is the first word of the sun? S-U-N, sun, S-U-N, sun. Okay children, I have completed the lesson for you. So how did you feel? It is very easy, no children? In the next class, I will be doing you the sentences. What is in the next class I will be doing? The second lesson is sentences. I hope so the first lesson which I did, that is the alphabet, is very clear for you. I hope you don't have any doubts. Okay children, if you have any doubt you can ask me. So already I have completed